We've recently found out that there's a Disney attraction that is going to be the most expensive, the costliest. It's going to cost you the same amount, no matter how much this ride costs to build. It is the most expensive ride that Disney has ever made, at least according to some outlets. Space Mountain is getting a refurbishment, and it's looking to cost $500 million, or getting near to it. But it's not the one that you're going to ride. New Space Mountain budget balloons to Disney's most expensive attraction ever built. Look at that. Look at that light up whipped cream over there. That's
What?
Space Mountain. OLC announced that the investment of a brand new Space Mountain opening in 2027 has increased, making it almost certainly the most expensive ride that Walt Disney Imagineering has ever built for now. Here's the latest about the mega e-ticket attraction rising above Tomorrowland at Tokyo Disneyland, plus our on-the-ground construction photos. This is from Disney Tourist Blog and Tom Bricker. Great site over there, and Tom Bricker does a lot of good work here. They've been watching this for a while, and if Tokyo's Tomorrowland reimagining isn't on your radar, maybe it should be. It's true even if you're exclusively a fan of WDW or Disneyland. That's because, as mentioned in the Future of Tomorrowland at Magic Kingdom, this could be the blueprint of what is to come elsewhere. The main thing to remember here is that when you get something like this, you get Japan paying all those R&D costs for attractions, and then Disney just knows how to do it. So then they can build it here for less. Of course, they also cheap out, and it's not as good, and it gets broken, and maybe they don't fix it as much. But according to OLC, the owner and operator of Tokyo Disney Resort, the new Tomorrowland Plaza will express the connection between Earth and the universe. I think I've heard this called Space Mountain Earthrise in some of the rumors and concept drawings that are out there. It'll maintain its original concept as an indoor roller coaster, but will have enhanced performance and immersive special effects that will give guests even more thrills on this exciting rocket ride. More on what that could mean in terms of the ride system below. So 56 billion yen is what they said. That is a lot of money. I don't speak yen fluently. I need a translator for it. But using the exchange rate from 2019 or the 2 decades prior, that would have been 700 million. It's closer to 460 million at the moment.
Google says that it is $361 million.
Ooh, well, now is the time to pay for that in USD instead of in yen then.
Mm-hmm.
So looking at this, I just have to say it's very clear to me that Japan is willing to do what it takes to build an attraction that will probably last a long time and be a great ride. I don't think we're getting anything like this over here in the United States. Cars Mountain, Villains Mountain. I'm just not seeing it there. But Space Mountain,
nothing like this ever.
No, I really don't think so. Plus, there's not a specific IP attached to it. It's just going to be a great ride. So, if Disney were to do this, I'm trying to think who would they redo this ride to be after as an intellectual property if they were going to do
Star Wars.
Probably Star Wars Mountain.
Star Wars or WALL-E or I don't know, something in space.
Yeah, I think WALL-E would probably be the best choice there because WALL-E doesn't talk. And see, this is one of those things there. Now Disney is stuck because they have to maintain Space Mountain. Well, I guess, looking at Rivers of America, I suppose anything is up for grabs now. But Disney is stuck with Space Mountain in a way that I think they may not be perfectly comfortable with if they were doing it today. It would have to be something that's like Tron Mountain or Predator Badlands Mountain. If you can't understand what I'm saying here, mountain used to be the word that they now use for adventure. I think OLC has what it takes to build a best-in-class theme park. And if this was in the United States, everybody would be raving about it. It's Tokyo Disney Sea, often talked about as if it's the greatest theme park in the world. I don't know yet, unless you guys want to pay my way to get over there. I'm not planning on going over there.
I am planning on going over there at some point. That is a bucket list item for me. I really want to get over there. But, they love space, and it's very clear why.
I'm escaping to the one place that hasn't been corrupted by capitalism. Space!
Had you ever seen that clip before?
No, I have not.
I'm escaping to the one place that hasn't been corrupted by capitalism. Spies.
There's really no one like Tim Curry. There was a great video of, I think the Academy, actually, as in the Academy Awards Academy, put it out of Tim Curry, who has had a stroke, and so he's in a wheelchair, and in his face, he doesn't have full use of his face, but him going through all of his movies. And did you know what he said his favorite film that he's been in was?
Please tell me it's Muppet Treasure Island.
It absolutely is Muppet Treasure Island.
Is it really?
Yes. Somebody said, "This is our favorite of yours," and he goes, "Yeah, it's mine as well." It's so good. What a fun
song
movie.
In that. We're just about the nicest guys you'd ever want to meet. Upstage, lads. This is my only number.
But if you're looking at it, looking to go out to Tokyo, you can see the heights of what Disney could be if they just spent a little money on the parks.
Thanks for watching That Park Plays News. For more information, consider checking out www.thatparkplace.com. And don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and send this out on your favorite social media accounts.